This is the EPN Splash Pad. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the splash pad itself, of course, a user manual, and a little bag that has a hose connector, which is one of those quick disconnect connectors, as well as two patches. It opens up, it's 90.5 inches in diameter, which is approximately 7.5 feet. With that, it has a non-slip floor on the bottom of it, on the inside. As you can see from the manual, the water kind of sprays up like that and into the center. Let's go hook it up to the hose. All right, let's turn the water on. It has to fill the ring. Before it's really going to start doing anything. That might take some time. We'll come back once it starts getting going. And now it's up and running. Now the pressure that I have in this house is absolutely abysmal as far as water pressure goes. This is about as good as it gets. I do not have the regular garden hose hooked up, so I have one of these pocket hoses hooked up, which I'm sure is not helping any, but I expect the height of the water would go at least double that without any problem. You can see how the center is filling as such. Of course, the ground here isn't level because nobody's backyard is, but that will eventually fill up. You can adjust the ring so the water splashes in it more, because that's kind of where you want it to go. But definitely for real young kids, 3-4 years old, something like that, that water height is actually perfect for them right there. So they would have loads of fun. Probably would even step on the ring and, you know, make it do stuff like that. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that for you here. So you see, if I had real water pressure, it'll actually really go. But this is, unfortunately, is the best that I can do at this time. It's not really, it's just barely turned spring. So this is about as good as it gets for right now. But I'm sure in your backyard, with some reasonable water pressure, this would perform a lot better. Once again, this was the EPN Splash Pad. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.